Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install DocuSign for LinkedIn contract sharing, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin the installation of DocuSign for LinkedIn contract sharing, open your web browser. Go to the official DocuSign website. If you do not have a DocuSign account, click on Sign Up. Follow the prompts to create your account. Once you have an account, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, navigate to the Settings section. In the Settings menu, look for the Integrations tab. Click on Integrations to open the options available. Find LinkedIn in the list of integration options. Click on Add Integration next to LinkedIn. You will be prompted to authorize the connection between DocuSign and LinkedIn. Follow the authorization steps by signing into your LinkedIn account. Once authorized, you will return to the DocuSign interface. Now, go to the Templates section in DocuSign. If you have existing templates, ensure they are set up for contract sharing. If you need a new template, click on Create Template. Fill in the required fields with your contract information. Add recipients by entering their email addresses. Set the signing order if necessary. Once your template is ready, click Save. To share a contract, navigate to the Manage tab. Select the template you wish to use for sharing. Click on Send an envelope. Add any additional recipients if needed and review the contract details. Choose LinkedIn as your sharing option. Confirm that everything is correct before proceeding. Click Send to share your contract via LinkedIn. Your contract is now shared, and you can track its status in the DocuSign dashboard. You are now successfully equipped to share contracts through LinkedIn using DocuSign. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.